Hey guys, I'm going to use tire foam to make this engine look better. Before I spray the foam, I'm going to cover up a few places where I do not want it getting into. I already used a leaf blower to blow away any loose dust. Firstly, I'm going to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery just as a precaution. And for this engine, this is where the air flows into. Just gonna block that off. Cover your alternator and your accessory belt. You don't want to risk the belt slipping. The exhaust of this engine is towards the back, and here we have the oxygen sensor and underneath it the catalytic converter. These holes you see over here, now liquid can get into that, so I want to cover that up. I don't want to risk messing up the sensor or the catalytic converter. So I'm ready to get started. I did cover the hood latch over here as there is grease inside. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes and it's pretty hot here, so it doesn't take long to dry. What about the dirt that sits on top? Tire foam will not make it magically disappear. If you have a look over here at the battery terminal cover and the shock mount area, you can still see that there is dirt on top. So you'd have to wipe that down to get rid of it. So I'm going to wipe that down, plus any areas which still seem a bit wet, because that will attract dirt. There are a few ways you could go about using tire foam. I've seen people firstly clean the engine with a degreaser and then use tire foam as a dressing on top. Or do what I did, spray first with tire foam and then hose it down with water afterwards, so any agitated dirt will fall off. But this is an old engine, seals dry up. I don't want water getting into somewhere where it shouldn't. Is it perfect? No, it's not. This is an old car, daily driven. I'd rather spend more time on making it mechanically sound rather than how it looks. So using tire foam, it's cheap, it's quick, it's effective in making the engine look a bit more presentable. I forgot to mention, after finishing, make sure you remove all the plastic bags you used to cover or block certain areas, and don't forget to connect the battery back. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.